What if I told you that 5 simple investments made today could set you up for financial freedom tomorrow? In a world where technology evolves every second, cryptocurrency stands as one of the biggest wealth-building opportunities of our generation. But here's the problem. With over 25,000 cryptocurrencies in existence, most investors feel lost. Which ones are actually worth holding for the next 5 or 10 years? Which projects will survive the hype and truly change the world? Welcome to Crypto Millionaire Secrets, where we turn crypto confusion into clarity and teach you how to grow wealth through smart investing. Before we dive into the 5 best cryptocurrencies for long-term investment, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because you're about to learn the real gems that can secure your financial future. Understanding long-term crypto investing. Before we reveal the top 5 coins, it's important to understand what long-term investing really means in the crypto world. This strategy isn't about chasing quick profits or following hype on social media. It's about identifying projects with strong fundamentals, real-world use cases, solid leadership, and continuous development. Think of it like planting trees. You don't expect fruit the next day. You nurture your investment, let it grow, and allow time to multiply your rewards. Crypto is volatile in the short term but extremely powerful in the long term if you choose wisely. The secret is patience, research, and discipline. So, let's explore the top 5 cryptocurrencies to hold for the next few years, the ones that have real potential to transform your portfolio and maybe even your life. 1. Bitcoin, BTC, the digital gold. When it comes to long-term investing, you simply can't ignore Bitcoin. It's the foundation of the entire crypto industry, the first and most valuable digital currency ever created. Bitcoin isn't just a coin, it's a revolution against centralized finance. With a limited supply of 21 million coins, Bitcoin is designed to be scarce, which naturally increases its value over time. Institutions, governments, and corporations are now adopting Bitcoin as a store of value. In many ways, it's becoming the digital gold of the 21st century. Historically, every Bitcoin halving, which reduces the supply of new coins, has triggered massive price growth. As adoption continues and supply decreases, Bitcoin's value could rise to new heights. For long-term investors, Bitcoin remains the most secure and proven asset in the crypto world. 2. Ethereum, ETH, the backbone of Web3. If Bitcoin is digital gold, Ethereum is digital oil, the energy that powers decentralized applications and smart contracts. Created by Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum has become the foundation for thousands of decentralized apps, DApps, NFTs, and DeFi projects. The recent Ethereum 2.0 upgrade shifted the network to proof of stake, making it faster, more scalable, and environmentally friendly. Developers continue to build on Ethereum because of its flexibility, massive community, and reliability. It's also the most widely used blockchain for launching new tokens. As the world moves toward decentralized finance and Web3 applications, Ethereum's role will only expand. Long-term holders see Ethereum not just as a coin, but as an entire ecosystem driving the future of blockchain innovation. 3. Solana, Sol, the speed demon of blockchain. When speed and scalability matter, Solana stands out. Designed for performance, Solana can handle over 65,000 transactions per second, far surpassing Ethereum's early limits. Its low transaction fees and fast confirmation times make it ideal for gaming, NFTs, and decentralized finance. Despite facing technical challenges in its early days, Solana's development team has shown resilience, consistently improving the network and attracting new projects. Major platforms like Magic Eden and Phantom Wallet are built around Solana's infrastructure. With increasing adoption and new upgrades planned, Solana is positioning itself as a serious long-term competitor to Ethereum. For investors seeking high growth potential in a next-generation blockchain, Solana deserves a solid place in your long-term portfolio. 4. Chainlink, Link, the data powerhouse. Chainlink might not always make the headlines, but it's one of the most important backbones of the crypto ecosystem. Why? Because smart contracts need real-world data to function, and Chainlink provides exactly that. Chainlink acts as a bridge between blockchain and the outside world, feeding live data such as prices, events, and APIs into decentralized applications. It's used by countless DeFi platforms to ensure accurate information, and its technology is becoming critical for automation in industries like insurance, finance, and logistics. As blockchain adoption expands, the demand for reliable off-chain data will explode, and Chainlink's decentralized Oracle network is already the industry standard. That's why Link is one of the most powerful long-term investments in crypto. It's essential infrastructure that other projects depend on. 5. Polygon, Matic, the future of scalability. Ethereum may be the heart of decentralized applications, but Polygon, Matic, is its lifeline. Polygon is a Layer 2 scaling solution that makes Ethereum faster and cheaper to use. It helps developers and users avoid the high gas fees and slow speeds of the main Ethereum network while still enjoying its security. Polygon's partnerships with major brands, including Nike, Starbucks, Meta, and Reddit, have proven its mainstream appeal. These collaborations show that Polygon isn't just a crypto project, it's a bridge between traditional companies and the blockchain world. As Ethereum continues to grow, Polygon's role in improving scalability and accessibility will make it one of the strongest long-term investments. Matic combines real-world adoption with solid technical innovation, a perfect mix for steady growth. Bonus pick: Avalanche, AVAX. For those looking to diversify further, Avalanche is another strong candidate. Known for its sub-second transaction speeds and eco-friendly design, Avalanche enables developers to create custom blockchains for specific use cases. With growing partnerships and DeFi adoption, AVAX has potential to compete among the top tier of crypto networks in the coming years. Long-term strategy. Investing in crypto for the long term isn't about chasing the next pump. It's about believing in innovation, technology, and real adoption. When choosing coins to hold, focus on those with clear utility, strong development teams, and consistent community growth. Bitcoin gives your portfolio stability and trust. Ethereum provides exposure to the entire world of Web3. Solana adds speed and scalability. Chainlink brings essential infrastructure, and Polygon powers mainstream adoption. Together, these 5 coins form a strong foundation for long-term crypto success. Remember, patience is your superpower. The market will rise and fall, but true investors see opportunity in every dip. Keep learning, stay disciplined, and never invest money you can't afford to lose. Over time, your persistence will pay off, and you might just find yourself among the next generation of crypto millionaires. If you found value in this video and you're serious about building wealth through crypto, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another update. Drop a comment below and tell us, which of these coins do you believe has the greatest long-term potential? Thank you for watching Crypto Millionaire Secrets, the channel where knowledge turns into wealth, and ideas turn into freedom. Remember, stay patient, stay curious, and stay invested in your future. Your crypto millionaire journey starts right now, only on Crypto Millionaire Secrets.